If you've ever dreamed of a trip to Ireland, you've probably heard of the otherworldly rock formation known as the Giant's Causeway. This geological wonder, consisting of thousands of mysterious, interconnected hexagonal stone columns, is quite literally the stuff of legends. Here are some surprising facts about one of Northern Ireland's most popular tourist destinations. According to legend, the Giant's Causeway was built by the Irish giant Finn McCool, hence the name. The story goes that Finn built this causeway as a sort of bridge to confront his Scottish rival. While a giant feud is a captivating story, scientists have an alternative explanation. The Giant's Causeway is comprised of around 40,000 hexagonal columns, formed by cooling volcanic basalt around 60 million years ago, according to Science Alert. Molten lava from volcanic activity flowed, which then began to slowly cool. This cooling process caused the lava to contract and fracture into these pillars. Like the giants from Irish and Scottish legends, the volcano that gave birth to the basalt columns can no longer be seen today. It has disappeared from the face of the earth through erosion. While the Giant's Causeway is the most famous example of what's called columnar jointing, similar rock formations can be found around the world. Fingal's Cave in Scotland was created by the same lava flows as the causeway. Devil's Tower in Wyoming and High Island Reservoir in Hong Kong are other examples. Similar formations can even be found on Mars. From the visitor center, it's an easy 10 to 15-minute walk downhill to the causeway itself. But for those up for a day hike, a more interesting approach is to follow the clifftop path, then descend the Shepherd's Steps and enjoy a breathtaking view of the basalt columns from above. Find these north of the visitor center. Not interested? A minibus also shuttles people from the visitor center to the causeway for about £2. Regardless of how you get there, Giant's Causeway is definitely one not to be missed on any trip to Ireland.